Hello everyone, so first thing first, I'm just going to block my brows using a glue stick. Then I'm just going to apply a foundation that is a couple shades lighter than my skin tone. And try not to get it on your hair. Here I'm just sketching where I want the skull to be. I want it to be like a half skull kind of look. Make sure to set the foundation with powder so it won't go anywhere. Now I'm just going to shade on the line with black to make it more realistic. Then I'm just going to draw a new teeth for me. And it kind of looks like a circus tent. Girl, this flashy thing is so annoying. It keeps ruining my videos. There it is again. Oh my god. Now I'm just painting the teeth white. And of course more shading. It will really make the teeth look more realistic. Until it looks a little something like this. Oh, I hate content. Wow, okay. Next will be the eyes. So I'm just going to sketch how I want my eye makeup to be. Okay, that flashy thing really get on my nerve. Then filling in with black eyeshadow. Now I'm just drawing a vein kind of shape with light pressure and tapping it with my fingers so that it doesn't look harsh. And I'm also smudging the bottom part of this to make it more messier. And never forget your eyelashes. It just completes the look. Here I'm just drawing a line going down from the skull to again make it more messier because this is a wig, and smudging it with my finger to blend it more, and also so that it doesn't look harsh. The lipstick that I was wearing was too purpley, so I'm just putting on black eyeshadow on top of it, then blending and smudging them. Now I'm just taking this cheap necklace and gluing it on the lower part of my face for a little something, you know. Lastly, I'm just painting my neck with black just to tie in everything. Then off camera, I painted my whole head in black paint and also drew the evil symbol on the middle of my chest that I copied from the internet. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'm going to sleep. Bye bye.